How to find saved videos on YouTube mobile app. So in order to see the saved videos on YouTube, you just need to open the YouTube app. After that, if in order to save a video, what you can do is just tap on the video you want to save, or you may just tap on the three dot and you can see this download video option, or you may tap on the save to watch later. So you may just choose any of the methods in order to save the video. Save to watch later is something you can watch online later on, but download video is something you can watch offline as well. So if you have saved your video on save to watch later, let's say, what you can do is just go to your profile. After that, tap on view all, and here you will be able to see this watch later playlist option. Just tap on it, and here you will be able to see the videos that you've saved in order to watch it later. So if you have downloaded the video, you will be able to see your downloads. Here you can see these download options under your videos, where you can find the videos that you've downloaded, which you can see later on. So therefore, by following this method, you can watch the saved videos on YouTube. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.